This will be the last video I record in this dress for today. Unless I wear another day, whatever. So, if you follow me on Snapchat, I put up that I had found my baby's heartbeat with my pocket fetal Doppler, which is here. I've had this. I had one when I had Taryn, which was in 2012. Then I lost it because I moved home after college. So then I bought this one when I was pregnant with Deuce. And yes, so I was like, I'm far enough along to where I should be able to find it myself. Although it did take me a long time, I still found it. So this is what it looks like. Well, this is what it looks like in the box. Called the Pocket Fetal Doppler. It lets you hear your baby's heartbeat at home, you know, just to reassure yourself. Yeah. So this, taking it out the box. I'm going to attempt to show you guys because obviously I'm using my laptop, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a good angle. So this is it. And this is the, what do you call this? The probe. Whatever you call it. So anyway, you plug this in at the bottom. It's like a USB thing. I think it goes this way. Yep. Then you turn it on. You can hear the noise. I think you guys can. I mean, I can, obviously. But it's just like it sounds like static. This is what it looks like. So it has a backlight. Wow. No. I don't even think you guys are going to be able to see this. Okay, so it has 3 settings up here. Or maybe it's down here. Anyway, this is your battery. This is where the heartbeat will be, where those 3 lines are. And it says 3 megahertz. I don't really change the channel, although it comes with 3 channels. There's no need. And then I got some aloe vera gel. This is what comes with it. And if you do it a lot, you're probably going to want to buy extra. But I don't do this often. So, of course, I put on some shorts. So let me lift this up. So, when you're early along, excuse me, guys. When you're early along, your baby sits relatively low. So, like, yeah. I think I should be able to find it. My computer is literally telling me that I need to charge it. So I'm just gonna put it here. Put a good amount. Whew, Lord. Out of breath, guys. Sorry. Okay. So then you just listen. You should know what the baby's heartbeat sounds like by hearing it at the doctor's. You should be able to hear it. So hold on. Let me just see if I can find it. And probably because I'm doing this on video, I'm not going to be able to find it. And I'm probably not even laying right. Let me let this seat out. Okay. Okay. Woo! This is so crazy. Okay. Guys, you're making me nervous. Okay. You're making me nervous. Whew. Okay, don't look at me, guys. When I find it, I'll let you guys know. Then I'll have to do another video so you guys can actually see. But for now, I don't think she wants to be found, guys. It's so crazy to me because when you go to the doctor's office, you lay down and they go right to where the baby's at without an ultrasound. So it's like, why can't I do that? Why can't I be great? Guys, as soon as I turned you off, I found her. Right where my hand's at. Hold on. Hold on. Now I'm getting a call. I got a call. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Nope, that's not her.